Hey everybody, welcome back to TechOdyssey. So following up from my other recent giveaways, I'm upping the ante a little bit, changing the game and giving away this AUKEY Dashboard Camera. It is the DR-01 model. It's a 1080p dash cam and it records at full 1080p at 30 frames per second. I did a review on it, so if you go look through my video history, you can see the review on there. I did a full drive test so you can see the video quality and all that good stuff. It has a 2-inch LCD screen on it. It has a Sony IMX image sensor on it. It's got a 170-degree viewing angle, 1080p at 30 frames per second, 720p at 60 frames per second. It has a gravity sensor that you can adjust on there, recording modes for continuous recording, motion detection, time-lapse, emergency recording, and it supports micro SD up to 128 gigabytes. Now, it doesn't have a built-in SD card, so it has no internal storage. So the first thing you have to do when you get it is you have to go ahead and put an SD card in it, which is very easy to do. There's a little slot right here on the top. Pop the slot in, and then there's the charging cable. The other thing is it doesn't have a built-in battery, so you always have to have it plugged in so you have a continuous power source. But it's really nice. The little mount connects right there, and then there's different ways you can fix it to the inside of your windshield. As you can see, everything is included. You've got the long power cable that goes to the AC port. There's the suction cup mount, which works really well. All you have to do is see it's got the little cutout there. Pop that in there. Slide it in, lock it into place. Bob's your uncle. And then if you don't want to use the suction cup one, there's the exact same mount, but it has the 3M adhesive tape to it. And then it has extra tape in case it falls off and you need it. And then it has more extra tape in case that falls off. And then you have these little clips so you can put the cord up and out of the way. And then you've got your charger, owner's manual, and then it also comes with AUKEY's 24-month warranty. So super cool. Anyway, like I said, if you're curious about how it works, go ahead and watch my review video on it, but I'm going to go ahead and start this giveaway tonight. Let me look at the calendar. We're going to do this one for just over 2 weeks. We're going to go till Friday the 16th. Just like all the other ones, it'll end at 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. You have to be at least 18 years old. You have to be a United States citizen, and there's no cost whatsoever. Just click on the drop down. The link will be in there so you can enter the contest. I'm going to have, of course, the subscribe to the channel, you get your mandatory entry. You can come back and get a daily entry. And then I'll have links also to my Instagram. And then if you follow me on Twitter, you'll also get an extra entry that way. So many different ways you can get extra entries to maximize your chance of winning. And then we'll find out who the lucky winner is on the 16th of November, 2018 at 10 o'clock at night, Central Standard Time. So get to entering, and may the best man or woman win.